Good afternoon, students. Welcome to our maths class. Okay. So we are going to wait for 2 minutes. Let's other students also join us. Then we will continue with our maths lecture. Okay. All the students, good afternoon to all. Yes, Advay, good afternoon. Mariam, good afternoon. Vihang, good afternoon. Dhruvi, Yuvika, all the students, good afternoon. No one is going to send the chats. Okay. Yes, smileys and all. No one is going to send in the chats. Okay. Good afternoon to all the students. All the students are going to mute yourself. All the students are going to mute yourself.
The feast. Good afternoon, Miss.
Yes, good afternoon.
Dada.
मला पण असं वाटतं हिंदी ना मना कानावर तेच तर
All the students mute yourself.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Yes, good afternoon to all. Let's start with okay. Now let's start with our lecture. I'm going to share the screen with you. Just a minute. Okay. So welcome to our maths lecture. What we have learned in our yesterday's lecture? Yes, we have learned lesson number 6 from our textbook, right? Yesterday we have learned lesson number 6 from our textbook, but page number 37 is left, right? To explain you. So today I will explain it. First of all, today what we are going to learn? Today we are going to learn maths lesson number 6, introducing addition and subtraction. What we are going to learn? Maths lesson number 6, introducing addition and subtraction. Okay, so let's start with our lecture. So this is the picture of your textbook, right? Yesterday it was left to explain because of time was up, right? So today first we will see this, then we will continue with our lesson number 6 from our maths workbook. So let's start. What it is written over here? Do the following subtraction. What we have to do? We have to subtract the following. So here first what number it is given? 9 minus 2. What it is given? 9 minus 2. So all the students take 9 fingers on your hand. All the students are going to take 9 fingers on your hand first. Yes. Then close 2 fingers from it. Close 2 fingers from it. How many fingers are left? Yes. Count it down. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 fingers are left, right? So 9 minus 2 is how many? It is 7. So yeah, I'm writing 7. 9 minus 2 is equal to 7. Now the next one is 8. What is the next one? 8 minus 4. 8 minus 4. So you have to take 8 numbers and then you have to cut 4 from it. How many it will remaining? How many number it will remaining? Take 8 fingers on your hand. Very good. Then close 4 fingers. Yes, close 4 fingers. How many fingers are remaining on your hand now? Count it down. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers are remaining, right? So 8 minus 4 is what? 8 minus 4 is equal to 4. Okay. Now next is 7 minus 2. Next is what? 7 minus 2. So from 7, if we cut 2, how many it is remaining? Yes, 5. How many? 5. So 7 minus 2 is equal to 5. You can draw like this also. Your place is not there, but you can draw. Yesterday also I had taught you this thing. The number what it is given 7, right? So 7 circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 circles. Minus how many it is given? 2, right? So cut down 2. How many it is left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we have written answer 5. 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay. Now the next one, how many it is? 5 minus 3. So here we have to draw 5 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. See, 5 circles are there. Right. Minus 3. Minus 3. So we will cut 3 circles. 1, 2, 3. How many it is left now, students? 1, 2, right? So here we are going to write 2. 5 minus 3 is what? 5 minus 3 is equal to 2. So here we have written 2. Next one. 4 minus 2. 4 minus 2. So take 4 fingers on your hand. Yes, you're taking 4 fingers on your hand. Minus what it is given 2. Close 2 fingers now. Close 2 fingers. How many fingers are left? 1, 2. So 4 minus 2 is what? 4 minus 2 is 2. Okay. The next one. 7 minus 5. What it is given? 7 minus 5. Take 7 fingers on your hand. Very good. Then close 5 fingers. Yes. How many fingers are left with you now? 2. So what you will write? The answer you are going to write 2. Okay. Now the next one. 4 minus 1. 4 minus 1. All the students are going to take 4 fingers on your hand. Yes, take 4 fingers on your hand. Very good. Now, from that 4 fingers, close 1 finger. Yes, how many fingers are left? 3. How many? 3, right? So, your answer will be 3. 4 minus 1 is 3. Then the next one, 6 minus 2. 6 minus 2. So, what we will do? We are going to take 6 fingers on your hand. So, take 6 fingers on your hand. Yes. Then close 2 fingers, minus 2 it is given. So close 2 fingers. Very good. Now how many fingers are remaining? 1, 2, 3, 4, right? 4 fingers. So here we will write 4. So 6 minus 2 is 4. Now over here, what is given? 8 minus 5. 8 minus 5. So from 8, you are cutting down 5. Your wings. Take 8 fingers on your hand. Yes. Then close 5 fingers. Close 5 fingers. How many fingers are left on your hand, students? Yes. How many? 3. So you will write the answer 3 over here. See, this one 8 minus 5. Same sum is over here. 8 minus 3. 8 minus 3. Take 8 fingers on your hand. Yes, 8 fingers on your hand. Then close 3 fingers. How many fingers are left now with you? 5, right? So you will write the answer over here 5. Over here 8 minus 0. If we are doing subtraction with any number, what answer will come? Same number, right? Same number. So 8 minus 0 is equal to what, student? 8 minus 0 is equal to 8. Okay. Next. 3 minus 1. 3 Take 3 fingers on your hand. Very good. Then close one finger. How many fingers? What it is there? 9 minus 7. So take 9 fingers on your hand. Yes. Then close 7 fingers. How many fingers are remaining on your hand, students now? 2 fingers are left, right? So what we will write? We will write 2. Answer will be 2. Okay. Now the next one. 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1, right? So take 1 finger on your hand. Take 1 finger on your hand. Very good. Now close that 1 finger. Yes. For how many fingers are remaining with you? Nothing, right? Nothing means what, students? 0. So 1 minus 1 is equal to how many? Is equal to 0. Okay. Now the next one. 4 minus 0. What will be the answer? 4, right? So what we have done over here we have done subtraction, right? So see, 9 minus 2, what answer we have got? We got 7. Okay. Then 8 minus 2 is equal to how many? 4. 7 minus 2, we got answer 5. 5 minus 3, what we got? We got answer 2. 4 minus 2, what we got? We got answer 2. So students, take a screenshot of this so that you can write it in your textbook. You have to solve this in your textbook. So take a screenshot of this. Do it fast. I'm counting till 10. You're going to take a screenshot. Okay, I'm counting till 10. Take a screenshot of it fast. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Okay, very good. So hope all the students have taken the screenshot of this. So today you are going to solve this page in your textbook. Okay, all the students are going to solve this in your textbook and you are going to use the pencil. No one is going to use pen. Okay, now let's start with our lesson number 6 from workbook. Chapter 6, introducing addition and subtraction. What we are going to learn in this lesson? We are going to learn introducing addition and subtraction. So what it is there in this lesson? Addition and subtraction from textbook we have done, right? Yes, same thing we are going to learn from workbook also. Addition and subtraction. So let's start with this lesson now. Let's see the sums. Yes, what it is given over here? Multiple choice questions. What it is there? Multiple choice questions. So count and add. So we have to count it and add. So see over here, addition. Why we are going to do addition? Because over here plus sign is there, right? See the plus sign you can see over here. Yes. So we are going to add this. What we are going to do? We are going to add this. So how many butterflies are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 butterflies are there over here. 4. Then next 1, 2, 3. So 3. What we have to do? 4 plus 3. What will be the answer? 4 plus 3. So we have to add this all. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 3. What is the answer, student? Just now I said. Yes. How many butterflies are there all together over here? How many butterflies do you see? 4 plus 3. 4. Then 5, 6, 7. How many butterflies are there? 7. So see options are given over here. A 7, B 8, C 9, D 10. So what we will write? We will write A7. So tick for A7. And over here we will write in the bracket A. Okay. What we will write in the bracket? A. So see over here. A7. How many butterflies are there? A7 butterflies are there in the picture. Okay. Now let's see further. Yes. What do you see in the picture? What is there? Elephant is there? Yes, elephant is there in the picture. Now we have to add this elephant. Okay. So what we are going to do first, how many elephants are there over here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So 4 elephants are over here. Then we have to add. So count 4, 5, 6. How many elephants are all together over here? How many elephants do you see all together over here? 1, 2, 3, 4. This one 5 and this one 6, right? So your options are given A2, B6, C3 and D8. So what is the correct answer for this? Correct answer is B6. What is the correct answer? B6. So what we will do, we are going to tick for B6 and over here we will write B. What we will write? We are going to write over here B. Now the next one, what do you see? Tiger is there in the picture? Yes. Now see. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 tigers are there over here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So what we have to do? We have to do 4 plus 4. So altogether, how many tigers it will be there, students? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many? 8 tigers. How many? 8. So what will be the answer? A5, B6, C1, D8. So for which which number we are going to take? We will take for D8 because answer is D8 and here we will write D. What we will write? Here we are going to write D because your answer is D8. So here 6 elephants. So B6 we have written over here. 8 tigers. So D8. So see over here. You can see over here. Here B we have written D. Okay. Now the next one. Next one. What it is written over here? Fill in the blanks. What it is written? Fill in the blanks. So see over here. What we have to do? Which sign do you see over here? Yes, which sign do you see? Minus, right? Minus sign is there. So what we are going to do? We are going to count the object first. Okay. So first one, 1, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So here there are 6 objects and over here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here also 6, right? See, here also 6, here also 6. So 6 minus 0. Sorry, 6 minus 6. What will be the answer, student? 6 minus 6. What will be the answer? Yes, take 6 fingers on your hand fast. On your hands, you're going to take 6 fingers. Take it fast. Yes. Now from that 6 finger, close 6 fingers. Yes, minus 6 fingers means close 6 fingers. Very good. How many fingers are left with you now? Yes, any finger do you see? No, nothing. So 6 minus 6, what will be the answer? 0. So here we are going to write 0. So what answer you will write over here? 0. 6 minus 6, 0. Okay. Next one, 9 minus 0. 9 minus 0. What we will write the answer? If you are adding some number with 0 or if you are doing a subtracting some number with 0, what will be the answer? The same number will be the answer, right? Yes. So 9 minus 0. Yes. What we will write? 9 minus 0. 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. So here we are going to write 9. 9 minus 0 is equal to 9. Now over here 4 minus dash is equal to 1. What we have to write? 4 minus dash is equal to 1. So we have 4 numbers, right? So take 4 numbers on your hand. Take 4 fingers on your hand fast. Yes. Now we want answer 1. But how many numbers you are going to, minus it from it to get the answer 1? Yes. For that, what you will do, take 4 fingers on your hand. Very good. Close one finger. This is your answer now, 1. So close one finger. Yes, how many fingers are left? 1, 2, 3, right? So you will write 3 in the middle. So see, 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. You can do it like this also. Take 4 fingers on your hand. Yes. Close 3 fingers. What is the answer? 1. So we have written correct number over here. Okay. So 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So here what we have done, we have learned fill in the blank. See, 6 minus 6 is equal to what? 0. 9 minus 0, what will be the answer? 9. And 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So see, you can see over here. Here the answer is 0. Your answer is 9 and here 3. You can take a screenshot of this because you have to write this in your workbook also. So today you are going to complete workbook lesson number 6. Okay. Now let's move further to our next sum. What it is written? Count and solve. What it is written? Count and solve. So we have to count it and we have to solve. So here 1, 2. What do you see in the picture? Frogs are there. 1, 2. Here 2 frogs are there and over here 1, 2, 3. So 2 plus 3. What will be the answer? 2 plus 3. What will be the answer? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 2 plus 3. The answer will be 5. What will be the answer? The answer will be 5. So here we are going to write in the box 5. Okay. What we are going to write in the box? 5. Okay. Now the next one. Here 1, 2, 3, 4. How many is there over here? 4. And over here 1, 2, 3. So 4 plus 3. 4 plus 3. What you are going to do? Keep 4 in your mind. Take 3 fingers. Yes. Now after 4 count. After 4 count. 3 fingers. 5, 6, 7. Right? 7 you got the answer. So what we are going to write over here, we will write the number 7. What we are going to do, we are going to write the number 7. So here there are how many frogs? Here there are 5 frogs and here 7. You can count this all together also. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So here there are 7 tomatoes. So what we have done over here, we are counting the object and we are writing the correct answer. Okay. See, 5 frogs and 7 tomatoes over here. Then the next one. Yes, leaves are there. Yes, what we are going to do? We are going to count it and we are going to do the subtraction of it. Okay. So now let's count first. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here there are 9 leaves. So here what we will write? 9. Okay. And here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. So here we will write 6. Now students, take 9 fingers on your hand. Take 9 fingers on your hand fast. All the students are going to take 9 fingers on your hand. Very good. You have taken 9 fingers on your hand. Now close 6 fingers from it. Close 6 fingers. Yes, all the students are going to close 6 fingers. Very good. How many fingers are left now? Yes, count it down. How many fingers are left? 1, 2, 3, right? 3 fingers are left. So here we are going to write 3. What we will write? We are going to write the answer 3. So 9 minus 6 is equal to how many? 9 minus 6 is equal to 3. Okay. Now the next one, stars are given. We have to add 1, 2, 3. 3 plus 1, how many? 3 plus 1, yes. Keep 3 in your mind and count 1. After 3, count 1, 3. After 3, count 1, 4. So, how many stars are there over here in the picture? There are 4 stars. How many? 4. So, here we are going to write 4. Okay. In the box, we are going to write 4. Now, the next one over here, triangles are given. Yes, triangles are given. Let's count it down. How many triangles are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Over here, 4 triangles. So here I am writing 4. This is just, I am explaining you. That's why I am writing over here. Okay. So here there are how many triangles? 4. Here also how many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here also we are going to write 4. Both the side there are 4 triangles. So we have to subtract this, right? So take 4 fingers on your hand. All the students take 4 fingers on your hand. Very good. Now subtraction. So close 4 fingers. Close 4 fingers. Yes. How many fingers are left with you now? Yes, nothing, right? So what we will write? 4 minus 4 is equal to 0. Okay. So here we have counted the objects. Here we have written 5, 7, here 3, 4, 0. So here there are how many leaves left? 3 leaves left. Here altogether there are 4 stars. And over here 0 triangles left. Okay. Yes. Now let's move further. What we are going to learn now? Match the following. What we are going to learn? Match the following. So see over here. Solve the match the following. First, 5 plus 3. So what will be the answer, students? 5 plus 3. What is the answer? If take 3 fingers on your hand, keep 5 in your mind and take 3 fingers in your hand. After 5, count 3 fingers. After 5, you're going to count 3 fingers. So after 5, start counting. 6, 7, 8. How many? 8. So 5 plus 3. What is the answer? 8. So we will draw a line to the number 8. Okay. Yes. Now next. 5 plus 0. What will be the answer? What I have told you, if you are adding or subtracting any number with 0, what answer will be coming? Yes. What answer will be there? Same number, right? So 5 plus 0. What will be the answer, students? 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. So where is the 5? Over here, see. So 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. Okay. Now next. 8 minus 0. What it is written? 8 minus 0. So all the students take 8 fingers on your hand fast. All the students are going to take 8 fingers on your hand. Yes. Take 8 fingers. Very good. Taken. Now 8 minus what it is written? 8. Now close 8 fingers. Close 8 fingers. Which now how many fingers are left? Yes, nothing, right? So 8 minus 8 will be 0. What will be the answer? 0. So here 8 minus 8 is equal to 0. Now 3 plus 3. So 3 plus 3, what will be the answer, students? So after 3, start counting 3 numbers. After 3, you are going to start counting 3 numbers. So start 4, 5, 6. So 3 plus 3, what is the answer? 6, right? So here we will write answer 6. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. Next one, 0 plus 9. 0 plus 9. See this 5 plus 0, yes, 0 plus 9. So 5 plus 0, the answer was 5. So 0 plus 9, what will be the answer? Same number, right? 0 plus 9 will be 9, right? So we are going to draw a line to the number 9. So see what we have done. We have counted the numbers properly and we have joined the line to the correct numbers. Okay. So see 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. 5 plus 0 is equal to 5. 8 minus 0 is equal to 0. 3 plus 3 is equal to 6. 0 plus 9 is equal to 9. Okay. All the students had understood this match the following? Yes, very good. Now let's move to our next sum. Yes. What is given? Yes. We have to add. What we have to do? We have to add. So let's count it down. How many it is? 1, 2, 3, 4. So here there is 4. And over here, 1, 2, 3. How many it is? 3, right? So here we are going to write 3. Now 4 plus 3, what is the answer? Yes. After 4, count 3 fingers. After 4, you are going to count 3 fingers. Yes. So after 4, start counting 3 fingers. 5, 6, 7. So what will be the answer? 4 plus 3 is equal to 7. So here we are writing number 7 in the box. Now over here subtract. What is the written? Subtract. 1, 2, 3. Your 3 lollipops are there. And here 1, 2, 2 lollipops are there, right? So what we have to do? We have to do 3 minus 2. So take 3 fingers on your hand first. Yes, very good. Take 3 fingers on your hands. Now close 2 fingers from it. Close 2 fingers. Very good. How many fingers are left? 1, right? 1. So 3 minus 2 is equal to how many? 3 minus 2 is equal. So see here we have written 7 and here it is 1. Now let's move to the further. What it is given over here? Yes, what it is given? Draw balls to match the given numbers and add them. So what we have to do? We have to draw the balls to the given numbers. So here the numbers are given already. We are going to draw the balls and then we are going to add it. Okay. So let's draw it. Here which number is given over here? 5. So draw 5 balls over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here I have how many it is we have to add means altogether how many balls are there? 1, 2. Two, three, four, 5, 6. And in the box what we will write 6. So this is how we have solved the sum. Here it was written 5. So we have drawn over here 5 balls. Here 1. So here we have drawn 1 ball. This all together if we are adding all together how many? 5 plus 1 that is 6. So here we have drawn 6 ball and it is here we have written the number 6. So 5 plus 1 is equal to how many? 5 plus 1 is equal to 6. So here we have written 6. So this is how you have to write in your workbook. Okay. This is how you have to write it in your workbook. See over here. 5 balls and 1 ball over here. After adding 5 plus 1, what answer we got? 6. So we have drawn over here 6 ball. And answer over here we have written 6. Okay. Yes. Let's move further. What it is written? Ali has 2 flower pots and Lucy has 1 flower pot. Ali is having how many flower pots, student? Ali is having 2 flower pots and Lucy is having 1 flower pot. Color the total number of pots they have. What we have to do? We have to color the total number of pots they are having. So see over here, Ali is having 2. So what we will do? We are going to color 2. Okay, 1 and 2. Lucy is having how many? 1. So this one we will color it. Okay. Color the total number of flower pot they have. So they have 3 flower pot in all together, right? Lucy 2 and 1. So here we are going to color for 3. This is extra, right? So total how many flower pot they are having? 2 plus 1, 3. So we have colored this for 3 flower pots. So you are also going to color like this flower pot in your workbook. Okay. So see, here we have colored for 3 flower pots. Okay, and 1 is remaining. So 2 plus 1 is what? 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. So here we have colored for 3 flower pots. Okay. Now the next one. Farida has 9 hats. Farida has how many hats? 9 hats. She gave away 7 hats. Farida is having 9 hats. She gave away 7 hats. How many hats are left with Farida? So see, hats Farida has. How many hats Farida is having? 9, right? So what we will write over here? We are going to write 9. Okay. So Farida is having 9 hats. She gave away how many hats, student? She gave away how many hats? 7 hats, right? So you will write 7. How many hats left with Farida? How many hats left? So what we will do? We are going to do subtraction over here. What we are going to do is subtraction. So write minus sign over here. 9 minus 7. What will be the answer? Yes, take 9 fingers on your hand. Yes, very good. Close 7 fingers. How many will be the answer? How many it is left? 2, right? So you will write 2. So Farida has 2 hats left. Okay. Now the next one, see. What is written over here? Maya has 2 color pencils. Maya has 2 color pencil. Okay. Her mother gave her 4 more color pencils. What did her mother give? Her mother gave her 4 color pencils. She used 5 color pencils. How many color pencil did she not use? Yes. So first, what we are going to do, see over here. Color pencil with Maya. How many color pencils Maya is having? 2, right? So here we have written 2. Color pencil her mother gave 4, right? So mother gave her 4 color pencils. So here we have written 4. We have added this 2 plus 4. What answer we got? Total color pencil with Maya. How many total color pencils Maya is having? 6. So here we have written 6. Okay. Now the next one. Total color pencil with Maya. How many color pencil total Maya is having? 6, right? So here it is written 6. Now color pencil she used. How many color pencils she used? Over here. 5, right? So minus 5 we are going to do. What we are going to do? Minus 5. So 6 minus 5, what will be the answer? 1. So colored pencil she did not use how many? 1. So here we have written one. So Maya did not use one color pencil. Okay. So students, what we have learned today? Yes, we have learned lesson number 6. What we have learned? Lesson number 6 from your maths workbook. Tomorrow also we will do the revision, right? All the students are going to solve this lesson number 6 in your maths workbook. Okay. Have you all understood it? Are you having any queries in it? Are you having any queries in it? No. Very good. No. Very good. Okay, students. So hope you all have understood this lesson. So we will meet in our next lecture now. Bye bye. Have a good day. Activity that is left, we are going to see in our next lecture. Okay. Okay, students. Bye.